Have you heard about YouTube's new community feature? In a nutshell, it's a new way for you to interact with your favorite YouTube creators. So right now, as a creator, I can post photos, surveys, questions, and you as a user and a subscriber can vote in the polls or comment on posts that I've made. But this new feature allows subscribers to actually start posts and post photos on their favorite YouTube creators' community tabs. Now, not all of the YouTube channels will have this feature either available or activated, but I'm happy to announce that the Upcycle Design Lab recently received the option to use this feature. And while it's in the very early stages and I'm just learning about it myself, I'm excited to see what will happen with this new feature. So as I mentioned, it's very new to me and I don't know all the ins and outs of it yet. I do know that I can moderate the posts that come through, and I intend to do that just because I know this is a great community of creative people, but I do want to avoid any slightly less than friendly or nice comments, and also I don't want to have a lot of spam, and I just don't know what to expect since this is so new. But I did want to provide a place for you as creators and upcyclers to share the projects that you're working on and to get some feedback from the community. At this point, if you post a photo, I don't know if there's any notification that you'll get if somebody comments on that, so it might just be something that you have to kind of keep tabs on if you're interested in how people are responding. If you learn something about this community tab, feel free to let me know, because I, of course, am seeing it from my side, which is the creator's view, which is slightly different than the viewer or subscriber's view. But let me show you quickly how easy it is for you to upload posts now. The first thing is you have to be a subscriber to the channel in order to add your own posts. And secondly, as of right now, this is only available on a mobile device. So you'll want to take a few photos on your mobile device, and it's best if you have them in a 1-to-1 ratio so that they're square, because they will be square once you put the photos onto the community tab. So how this works is you're going to navigate to the Upcycle Design Lab YouTube channel. And if you're watching a video from the Upcycle Design Lab, you can just click on the Upcycle Design Lab tab here, and then you can close out your video. And you should see something that says Visit Community. So if you tap that, you're going to go to the Upcycle Design Lab's Community tab. I don't know if you'll see the community settings. I don't think you will, because I think they're just there because I'm the administrator here. But you will see some options. You'll see top, newest, and then I think yours will say creator posts. So if you wanted to, you can sort by the newest posts or the ones that YouTube thinks are the top posts. And you can also select just to see the posts that have been uploaded by Upcycle Design Lab. But if you want to add your own posts, you're going to tap where it says What's on Your Mind, and then you'll see that it pulls up all of the images that are in your photo album on your device. And so you can just click one of those to upload the image. At this point, you can upload up to 5 photos, and you can also type in your own message. And then you're just going to tap the post button, and your pictures and your message will be uploaded to the Upcycle Design Lab's community tab. And then I believe you should be able to see your post as soon as you upload it. But because I'm moderating these, I think that you'll see the post, but nobody else will until I've had a chance to look at the post and just make sure that it's appropriate to put on the community tab. So that's all there is to it. It's very simple for you now as a subscriber to upload your projects to the Upcycle Design Lab's community tab page. So if you're interested in sharing some of your upcycled creations, I'd love for you to take the opportunity to add them to the Upcycled Design Lab's community tab. I don't have a lot of rules right now because this is very new, but I am requesting that you just upload your upcycled projects. You can show pictures of work in process or the finished projects. And if you have certain upcycling questions, feel free to post those as well. At this point, I don't really want any additional links that will take people away from the site. And as I said before, I know this is a great community where people are very encouraging and helpful to others, but I will be moderating everything just to make sure that we can avoid any bad actors. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you'll take advantage of this new feature. Check out some of your other favorite YouTubers. They may have this feature available as well. I can't wait to see what crafty and creative things you folks have been making from recycled materials. And in the future, maybe we'll be doing some challenges or contests. I'm not entirely sure where this could go, but let's make this a great, welcoming, and encouraging community. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.